What's up guys? Check out this men's wrinkle-resistant button-down shirt. It's a really comfortable dress shirt. I love the material that it's made out of. It's a polyester-spandex blend. Has the perfect amount of flexibility to it, so that way if you're out all night partying it up, you're gonna be nice and comfortable wearing this shirt. So this goes really well with a pair of black dress pants. You can wear it untucked. It has a great length to it. You can see it does have the cut on the side as well. This also looks really nice tucked in. Now for sizing purposes, I'm 5'9", 160 pounds. This is a size small, and I love the way that this one fits. It does have a nice athletic cut to it. It's not too baggy on the sides. The sleeve length is perfect as well. Goes right out to your wrist. Put my hands all the way out. You can tell it doesn't ride up too high, and it does have some stretchability to it. Really nice, comfortable shirt. It does have a nice thick collar, so it's gonna lay nice and flat for you. And the stitching on these buttons is really nice as well. This also looks really nice with a pair of blue jeans. I love wearing it untucked. It's just really more of like a business casual feel to it. And this shirt is just super comfortable to wear. So if you're looking for a really nice men's button-down dress shirt, this one right here is a great choice. Thanks for watching.